Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve another kind of puzzle. So today in this video I will solve this Square 2 puzzle. So it is very easy and very interesting puzzle, and it is upgrade version of this simple Square 1 Rubik's Cube. So in this Square 1 we have total 4 edge piece and 4 big size corner piece, but in this Square 2 Rubik's Cube we have also corners and edges, but our corner piece are also divided in two piece. I mean, if I match from this position, so if I will rotate, so we can see our corner are also scrambled. So today in this video I will solve this Square 2. Okay, so let's scramble this puzzle and then I will solve. So I have scrambled this Square 2 and we can see it looks like that. So in this puzzle, our first step, we will just match our equator. I mean, we will just rotate this layer, and we can see we have solved our this middle layer, and also we can call this is our equator. Now our second step, we will start our cube from any one smaller side. I mean, this is our smaller side, its opposite side, this is also our smaller side. We will place this small cut in this left side, and we will start to solve our cube from this position. So we will select any one face. I can select white face, I can select yellow, and also I can solve white in this position, also I can solve white in this position. So we have no any specific color scheme. So for example, if I start white face, so we will collect all white piece in this bottom position. So how we can collect? For example, if I match our cube, so this is our red face. It means first we will place one red corner piece, then we will place red edge piece, I mean white and red, because we are solving white face, and again we will place third red and white corner piece. So any one piece that we can select. For example, we are starting from red, so if I select this red piece, so we will must place this piece in this position. I mean, this is our rotating position. So we have fixed this piece in this side and just rematch on this position. So we can see our piece we have matched properly with this equator. We will just keep in our mind this equator and we will solve our color scheme. Now we need second white and red small edge piece. So this is our white and red small edge piece. Again we will place this piece in this rotation position. I mean, this is our rotation position. So just fix on this position. So we have matched second piece. Again we will place this piece in this side, and we will find our third white and red corner piece. So we have no, okay, so this is our white and red corner piece. So we will again place this corner piece in this position, bring it down, and we can see we have solved our red face. Now we will find our next color. So we will save in this side and we will match our equator. So we have matched red face and our next color is green. So it's mean first we will place green corner, then green edge, again green corner. So now we will solve our green face. So we will save this face in this side, and now we will find white and green corner piece. So this is our white and green. So we will place this white and green corner piece in this position and bring it down. So we can see we have matched our fourth piece. Again we will save this piece in this side and we will find our white and green edge piece. So we will place white and green edge piece in this side and match on this side. So this is also fixed. We will save in this position. Now we will find our second white and green corner piece. So this is our corner piece. Just bring it down. Again we will save in this position and we will match our equator. Okay, so now we can see red is fixed, green is fixed, and our next color is orange. It's mean now we will solve our orange piece, but we can see we have solved our half portion. Now we will fix remaining piece by using one specific algorithm. So first we can place in this position white and orange piece. So this is our white and orange piece. We will place this piece in this position and bring it down. So we can see this piece is not matching from this position. So we will leave this piece and we will try to match this second piece. So this is our second piece, bring it down. Okay, so we have fixed our white and orange. Now we will fix our remaining piece by using specific algorithm, because if we fix our piece directly, for example this is white and orange, if I fix this piece in this position, so this will fix, but our this piece will rotated. I mean, if I bring it down, so we can see this is done, but this is our, we have missed our piece from this position. So in this position we will use one specific technique. So what is our technique? We will place this piece in this position and we will apply algorithm r u prime r u prime r u r. So we have applied algorithm and we have fixed our piece, and this is also save. So again we will place this piece in this side and we will find our second white and orange piece. So this is our second piece, and again we will apply same algorithm r u prime r u prime r u r. This is also fixed. Okay, so now our remaining color is orange, green, red. Now we will fix last blue face. So again we will save this portion in this side and we will find our piece. So this is our white and blue, this is also white and blue, but I think this white blue we will fix in this side. So we will fix this white and blue in this position and apply algorithm r u prime r u prime r u r. So this is also fixed. Now in this position I will show another case. Sometimes we can face this kind of case. So first I will create situation. Okay, so sometimes we can face this kind of situation. I mean, we have left with this last white and orange, white and blue portion. So if we find white and blue in this top side, so this is our white and blue, but we can see if I match from this position, so this is our wrong piece. So we have stuck our piece in this position. So when we find this kind of situation, I mean, first we will bring this piece in this top layer, then we will able to fix this piece in this side. Okay, so sometimes we can face this kind of situation. I mean, we have complete our three phase, orange, blue and green. We have left with red, and we can see our both piece we have stuck in this position. I mean, first we will place these two piece in this top layer and then we will able to fix this piece on this portion. So we will place these two piece in this top layer. So how we can place? We will replace these two piece with any extra piece. For example, for any one piece we will place in this position, so we can replace this piece with this piece, and also we can replace with this. So how we can replace? We will place this piece in this side and then we will apply same algorithm r u prime r u prime r u r. Okay, so we can see we have placed this piece in this position and we have free our this white and red piece. Similar, I will also free this piece. So I also need this piece in this top layer. So what we will do, we will place this piece in this position. I mean, we can see we can replace these two pieces to each other. I mean, if I rotate this R move, so this is fixed. We have placed this piece in this side. So we will place these two pieces in same orbit and apply algorithm R u prime R u prime R u and then R. Okay, so now we can see we have free our all three piece in this top layer. So first we will place one corner piece white and red in this position, so we will find our correct corner piece. Okay, so we can see this is matching properly, it means this is our correct piece. So we will place this piece in this rotation and then we will apply R u prime R u prime R u and then R. So this is fixed. Now we will save this piece in this position and we will place this small edge piece in this side. R u prime R u prime R u R. This is also fixed. We have left with this last piece. So this piece we need in this position. So we will apply same algorithm R u prime R u prime R u R. Okay, so now we can see we have solved our one layer. So now we will just solve our equator. So we will just rematch our equator like that. And now we can see we have solved our two portion properly. So we have completed our this bottom layer and we have placed all yellow piece in this top layer. So now our next step, we will solve our this top layer. We will just arrange our piece on its proper position because we have placed all yellow in this layer. So we will select any one corner piece. I can select this red corner piece. We can see this is matching from this position. Similar from this position, I can also select this yellow and orange piece. So any one corner piece, orange and red. So any one corner first we will match. So now we can see this is matching properly. It's mean in this position we need yellow and orange edge piece. So this is our yellow and orange edge piece. This piece we need in this side. So in this position we will apply very simple algorithm and we will travel this piece one by one. One time we will apply algorithm, so this piece will fix in this side, then apply same again and again. We will travel this piece and we will match with this piece. So any one piece that we need to travel, because I select this orange face, so we can see we need to travel this orange and yellow edge piece because we need this piece in this side. So we will fix this piece on this position. And now we will apply algorithm R U prime R U D R D prime R. So one time we have applied algorithm, so we can see this piece travel from this position to this side. So again we will place this piece in this side and we will apply algorithm, so this piece will shift in this side. In this position we can see we have mixed our cube, but we will not focus on this position, we will just travel this piece. So R U prime R U D R D prime R. Again we can see one step we have traveled this piece. So again we will place this piece in this side. R U prime R U D R D prime R. Again we have traveled this piece, so we will place again in this position and again apply R U prime R U D R D prime R. So again we will place this piece in this side, R U prime R U D R D prime R. So in this time we will apply algorithm, so this corner will shift in this side and this edge will shift in this side. So again place this piece in this position, R U prime R U D R D prime R. So in this time we will apply algorithm, so this piece will fix on this position, R U prime R U D R D prime R. So now we can see we have fixed over this piece properly, and now we need this piece in this side. But if I place this piece in this position, so one time we will apply algorithm, so this piece will shift in this side, this will shift in this side. Again we will apply algorithm, so our this piece will fix on this position properly. So we will place this piece in this side and again apply same algorithm, R U prime R U D R D prime R. So we have traveled this piece, again we will place this piece on this side and apply R U prime R U D R D prime R, and we can see we have fixed all three pieces. And now our next color is blue. So we can see this blue is not matching properly. If I check this second blue, so this is our correct piece. It means we will again play hold Q from this position. So this is our key. We will every time apply algorithm from this side. Okay, so now we need yellow and blue in this side. So this is our yellow and blue. So if I rotate from this position, so we need to apply algorithm 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. If I travel from this side, so we need to apply algorithm 7 times. So we can apply algorithm from this position and also from this side. So any one side we can select. If I select from this side, so we will apply 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. So we need this piece on this position, so place this piece in this side and apply same algorithm or u prime or ud or d prime r. So again we will place on this side and continue same algorithm. So we will use only this algorithm in this step and we will place all piece on its proper position. And we can see again we have traveled this piece, so again place on this position and apply or u prime or ud or d prime r. And now we will apply algorithm, so this piece will shift on this position properly, or u prime or ud or d prime r. Okay, so we can match. So we can see we have placed this piece on its position. And now if I check from this position, so this piece we need on this position and this piece we need on this side. So we will not select this piece, we will select only this piece, because if I select this piece, so this piece will fix on this position, this will fix on this side. So this is our short way. We will not need to rotate this piece from this position to this side. So we will just replace these two pieces. So place this piece on this side and apply r u prime or ud or d prime r. And we can see we have solved our this portion easily. So our next color is red. I think we need this yellow red in this position, so we need to replace these two pieces. So again hold cube from this position, so we can need to replace these two pieces. So what we will do, we will select this piece, so we will apply algorithm, so this will shift on this side and this will shift on this side, or u prime or ud or d prime r. And we can see we have placed properly. Okay, so this is fixed. Again we will bring cube on this position, and now we need yellow and red edge piece. So this is our yellow and red, so we not need to travel this piece from this side, we just use this piece. I mean if I apply algorithm, so this will shift on this side and this will shift on this side. So r u prime or ud or d prime r. So we can see we have replaced these two. Similar we will apply same trick from this side. If I apply algorithm with this piece, so this will shift on this side and this will shift in any other side, or u prime or ud or d prime r. And we can see we have solved another piece. Okay, so again we will bring this piece on this side, and now we need in this position yellow and red corner piece. So this is our corner piece, so we will not travel this piece from this side, we can travel in this position. So this is our shortcut way. So we will place this piece, so one time we will apply algorithm, so this piece will shift on this side, or u prime or ud or d prime r. Again we will select this piece. Okay, and we will apply algorithm, so this will shift on this side, this will shift on this side, or u prime or ud or d prime r. And now again we will apply same algorithm with this piece, so we can replace these two, so these two will place on its position properly. So or u prime or ud or d prime r. So we can see we have solved our this yellow portion, but we can see in this position we can face this kind of situation. We can face this situation sometime, and sometime we can solve our cube properly. So this is our parity case. So when we find this kind of situation, so first we will create this situation in this top layer. because if we hold cube like that, so we will face trouble in this position. So we will just apply soon algorithm, and this parity will create on this top layer, or u prime or ud or d prime r, and we can see we have solved our parity and we have faced our parity in this top side. So when we find this kind of parity, we can solve this parity very easily. We just need to travel this piece from this position. So we will apply algorithm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times. So our parity will be solved. So we will just focus on this piece because our this piece is flipped. We need this piece on this side. So we will travel this piece. So how we can travel? We will continue algorithm r u prime r u d r d prime r. So we have traveled one time. Again place this piece on this side and again apply same algorithm. Again we have traveled this piece r u prime r u d r d prime r. So again we have traveled. So place this piece in this position r u prime r u d r d prime r. Again we will place this piece on this side and continue algorithm r u d r d prime r. Again we will place this piece on this side r u prime r u d r d prime r. Again we will place on this position r u prime r u d r d prime r. We will place this piece again in this position r u prime r u d r d prime r r u prime r u d r d prime r r u prime r u d r d prime r. And we can see we have shift our piece on this position and we will apply same algorithm 3 times. So r u prime r u d r d prime r. Again we will apply same algorithm, so we can see our this parity will be solved and this piece will also solve. R u prime r u d r d prime r, and we have solved our this piece. So only these two algorithms we need to remember in this puzzle. So this is very simple and very easy puzzle. So if you like this video, so I just request to everyone, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.